Hello, in this video, we are going to study about C++ operator. If you are new on this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel. So let's move on our topic, that is C++ operators, and what are these operators and how we use them to perform different operations on variables and values. So basically operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. In the example below, we will use the plus operator. But before that, we will see that there are many different types of operators, that are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. And in each video, we will discuss about the one type of variable operators. In today's lecture, we will study about arithmetic operators, what are these and how we use them. So arithmetic operators are basic operators that used to perform mathematically operations on on values and variables. For example, plus is used to add two values. Subtraction is used to subtract one value from another. Simply multiplication is used to multiply two values, and division sign is used to divide one value by another. And this is modulus operator. This is not percentage in programming, this modulus operators, and it returns the division remainder. If you divide one value by another value, and it will return the remainder of the division. And this is an increment operator, which is used to increase the value of a variable by one, and we will study this increment and decrement operator in detail in the in upcoming lectures. And this is a decrement operator जो कि decrease करता है value of a variable by one. अब हम इन different operators को अपनी programming के अंदर use करके भी देखते हैं, उनको किस तरीके से use कर सकते हैं example के साथ. So let's say I have int x is equal to 10 and int y is equal to 20. I can initialize these variables in a single line like this if I want. Okay. So I take one more variable to store result. Sum is equal to x plus y. Here I see out. Sum is, and now sum. Okay, you can do in this way, or you can do this in this way. See out subtraction result is, let's say, x minus y. Okay, see out multiplication result is, and x multiplied by y. See out division result is x whatever y. Let's say the C out increment value is, increment एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू होती तो लेट्स से इधर x प्लस प्लस प्रिंट करवा लेते. C out decrement value is y के अंदर एक डिक्रीमेंट करना. हम इसका आउटपुट देखते हैं बेसिकली क्या आएगा इस कोड का. सो ये थोड़ा सा रीडेबल नहीं है, इसको थोड़ा सा हम रीडेबल कर लेते हैं. इसको रीडेबल करने के लिए हम एक लाइन की इसमें स्पेस दे देते हैं, और इसी को हम कॉपी कर लेते हैं हर एक लाइन. And I have one is missing. copy. Okay. Now let's see. Change is going to happen in our output. So now it's quite readable. So you can see that the sum is 30, subtraction result is -10, multiplication result is 200, division result is 0, increment value is 10, and decrement value is 20. So this is the result that we get from this code. So you can see that the value of increment value is 10 and the decrement is 20. It looks like there is nothing happens in the value that is stored in variable. It must be, you know, when increment by 1 it must be 11, and when it decrement and it must be 19, but it stays is 19 and 20. So there is a difference between pre-increment and post increment. Let's see. Let's make some modification in our code and let's see what result we will get. So here I am going to change post to pre, and let's take y as you know, post decrement, and now we run this code and now we can see the changes. Now it's incremented by 1. We will study about pre-increment and post-increment later in videos. So if you want to see the result then of y decrement, then you need to add minus minus before the variable sign. So in the next video we'll study about next operators in detail. Thank you so much.